Hi, Shayna. Hey, good to see you.
Good to see you too. How are you?
Doing well, yep, staying busy.
Good.
Yeah. How many sales did you get so far?
Three?
Hey, sweet. Okay. That's pretty good. From the leads, the campaign specifically, right?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Okay, nice. And that was in like Chilliwack area?
Yeah, Chilliwack. I also had people, I had a senior couple move from Mission into Chilliwack, actually Hope area. So
Mm-hmm.
that was good. And then they referred me to their cousins. So that was nice.
Nice. Was that a sell and a buy?
A sell, a buy, and a referral.
Oh, sweet. The cousins
Yeah.
referred. Did they end up moving too, the referral, the cousins?
I have them listed currently right now.
Oh, nice. You got a listing from that. That's
Yeah.
great. What area?
In Abbotsford, it's a manufactured mobile. So
Got it. Okay,
yeah.
okay. How about the other home? Was that a little bit higher priced?
Yeah, and we sold it for 935 and then purchased them a home for 500. So
Oh, cool. So I guess they were looking to downsize probably.
yeah, they were downsizing into a townhouse.
Nice. Okay. So, geez, almost 1.5 million in commission or sorry, in sales. What do you make in commissions? I know that the BC structure is a little bit funny.
With their purchase and their sale, it was about 25 minus fees, taxes, office fees. Yeah.
Okay. And then the mobile home listing. Okay, what else? What other deals have you got so far?
I have a BC box listed in Chilliwack. I have a lease space in Chilliwack and another BC box, and then I have a townhouse coming up with another house, BC house sale with two purchases in 108 Mile, which is a bit up north BC. So I got things like rolling and coming.
Decent. Yeah, that
Just
sounds
those
great.
paychecks in the office.
I love how you have it up on the vision board too. That's awesome.
Well, I have a board like.
Hey, cool. Okay, it's like
Yeah,
an
so
Excel sheet right on the wall.
yeah, and it goes like with the address and then like the subject periods and the completion of possession dates, and it just keeps everything visual, which is great in my office. So
Yeah, that's
yeah,
cool. You said you mentioned what's a BC box?
a BC box is just like a box shaped house, and
Oh,
it's split
okay.
entry. So you walk up a few steps, and then when you open the door, you can go up some more steps to the first level up top and down to the level down below. And they usually have 4 or 5 bedroom with two bathroom. And it's just a complete rectangular square shaped house that was fabricated so fast in the 2000s and the 90s, and still kicking.
Yeah.
Some early as like the 80s and 70s too. So
Wow. Do people rent out the basement in those?
yeah, so like what we are seeing right now is a lot more people buying the BC boxes and then suiting the downstairs, because usually they're not always suited unless they've been purchased and suited already. Then yeah, there's that kind of option. But
Is that what they also refer to as carriage homes?
no, a carriage home is like a loft style one bedroom above a garage.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, we had an agent in Surrey specifically going after people who are looking for carriage home because apparently you can like decent investment sometimes you can like cash flow if you rent out the basement and stuff, but
A lot of
interesting.
like some of the newer developments will build like a larger style modern home with a suite and then another like larger sector upstairs, and in the back there'll be a carriage house above a garage as well, so then they have dual income when it
Mm,
comes to their property.
okay. Oh, interesting. Got it. Got it. Okay.
Mm.
And then also I want to trace back like what ads specifically brought in the deal so we know like which ones we should run more of and then maybe ones we should run less of. Beyond the closings that yet, the downsizer and the referral, what other deals came from the program?
I had one that was a first time home buyer family. They purchased a townhouse. I do have another lady that I'm contacting today. Um, she's in a strata townhouse and she does not want to be in a strata anymore. So I've got a CMA for her.
Oh, nice. Nice. Okay. Potentially looking to sell.
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay.
Yeah.
And in that townhouse, that was a first time home buyer, you said?
The townhouse was a first time home buyer family. Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So is the first time townhome anything else besides that?
It would be the listing with the sale and the referral.
Nice. Okay. Sweet. Sweet. Good stuff. And so you're saying the downsides rad was working the best? Because I know we were running a few. It was like the homes list. There's a
Yeah.
pre-sale luxury condo.
We have like a lot of older population here, so the downsizing into like rancher main level livings has been really good. And
Yeah.
especially since like where I live in Chilliwack, it's always known for like a retirement community. There's a lot of rancher developments, like a lot, like
Mm-hmm.
6 or 7 different rancher style, beautifully like developed gated communities, and it's just a different lifestyle for people. So I kind of found a lot of interest in that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, that's I get that feedback a lot from agents in like the Vancouver, the Lower Mainland. Yeah, the downsizer ads crushing it there. I think you're the only one running it there in Chilliwack area. But yeah, sounds about right. Cool.
All in all, it's produced results in my first, year of real estate, which is great.
Oh
So
wow, is it? Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
I'm a year and a half in. So
Oh, awesome.
yeah, so like there's a lot of new learning things for me as well, right? And I'm a single mom, I'm on a single income. I have a daughter that's 5, so she's quite young and little still and I'm just
Hmm.
carrying all those different things with a new business, right?
Yeah, yeah, it's
And it's been
definitely.
exciting and a lot of like ups and downs and learning and success and victories too, right? So there's
Yeah. Wow. Definitely got your hands full there, but yeah, you've done awesome. And you're putting in the work, especially with the follow-up. The more calls you make at the end of the day, more people you get a hold of, more people you meet, sell homes to. So you're doing great with that. Yeah, keep it up with the follow-up.